Hey there, hope you're doing very good. So welcome to my channels, and this is the second number of videos for my channel. So today I will talk about a big project that I created from my buyer So this is the cleaning project. I made a website for cleaning project. So that is the awesome website. Today I will share with you how I can design like this website. So first of all, if you see, this is the dashboard and here is the website. So if you see here, the very super looking header like this, and here you can see the sub menu, and if you can see here the other phases, and here is the contact us buttons that someone can contact us to order the offer, something like this. So here you can see the mail and number, and if you see the first page, the hero section, this is the header, this is a slider, a super header. So this is a super header, and the next a good looking slider. You'll see the professional image, text and buttons and good animations. If you can see just look how it looks professionals, how looks it's good. Here you can see review. You see, this is the header, so someone can call now or something like this. If you can see here that this is the slider, and the next button and the next sections, you'll see the cleaning service. Actually the company, what service are provided the other peoples. Oh, maybe it's not linked up yet. Actually it's progress, so we must need to link up the button, then button will be work. Okay, so here is the slider and here is the service sections. Now see, zoom in and zoom out, and this is the welcome Janda Pro cleaning service sections. They are available from which times, that's our clients. This is the clients, this is our clients, and customer reviews. See, looks, we can add it more testimonials here, and here you can see the footer design, something like this, simple, it's too simple. And if you can see the about us, you'll see the another design. We use here the Woodmart themes for making the website. Here is the about us, it's the client requirements. I have made just client requirement design. And if you go to the commercial and office clinics, you will see the another design, something like this. This is the contact us, that's mean user or customer can contact with you after complete the form, after complete all of the field. And something like this. Then custom cleanings, rates, blogs. This is the custom cleanings. This is the here you can see the Glary, something like this, Glary systems, Glary system website. And if you click on custom cleaning, then it will open the new page. So if you want to make like this website, or if you want to make a cleaning project, so I think so it will be easy for you. You can get from idea from my videos, you'll get some idea from my videos. And actually still website on progress, I did not complete yet. If you can see here, I'm working on the website yet. I'm working on the website speed and all of the things. As you can see, the FAQ sections, question and answer. The blogs, if I go to blog, maybe here you can see the 2 and 3 blogs, some blog here. If I click on contact us, then you will see the like this bar, like this pop-up. It's too much battery good, so you can type your first name, last name, your phone and get a consult. Super. Click on contact us, then you will get a pop-up like this. It's super. So thank you so much for watching the videos. Bye. Take care of yourself.